Another day, another story.
Carlos Slim Helú, born on January 28, 1940, in Mexico City, is a Mexican business magnate, investor, and philanthropist. He is widely regarded as one of the most successful and influential businessmen in the world. Let's explore his motivational and successful life story. Carlos Slim was born into a Lebanese-Mexican family, and his father, Julian Slim Haddad, was a successful entrepreneur himself. From a young age, Carlos Slim displayed an interest in business and finance. He studied engineering at the National Autonomous University of Mexico and later earned a master's degree in business administration from the same university. In the 1960s, Carlos Slim began his career by working for his father's business. He quickly recognized the potential of the telecommunications industry and established Inversora Bursátil, a brokerage firm. This was the beginning of his journey towards building a business empire. Slim's first major success came in the 1990s when Mexico underwent privatization of state-owned companies. He seized the opportunity and acquired Telmex, the national telecommunications company. Under his leadership, Telmex grew rapidly and became the dominant player in the Mexican telecommunications market. Slim also expanded his holdings in various industries, including banking, construction, real estate, and retail. One of the key factors behind Slim's success was his ability to identify undervalued assets and turn them into profitable ventures. He had a knack for investing in distressed companies and turning them around through strategic management and restructuring. His business philosophy focused on long-term investment, patience, and disciplined capital allocation. Carlos Slim's rise to prominence was not without challenges. He faced criticism for his dominance in certain industries and was accused of monopolistic practices. However, he defended his business strategies and emphasized the importance of competition and market forces. Beyond his business endeavors, Carlos Slim is known for his philanthropy. He established the Carlos Slim Foundation, which supports various educational, health, and cultural initiatives in Mexico and other countries. Through his foundation, he has made significant contributions to poverty alleviation, healthcare, and education, particularly for underprivileged communities. Carlos Slim's life story is a testament to the power of entrepreneurship, strategic thinking, and perseverance. He went from being a young engineer to becoming one of the wealthiest individuals in the world. Slim's success is often attributed to his sharp business acumen, visionary thinking, and long-term perspective. His story serves as an inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs, demonstrating that with determination, hard work, and a focus on creating value, one can overcome challenges and achieve remarkable success in the business world.
Thanks for watching.